agradaa mama part say omano $800 and the Sammy Gyamfi efri na komam ena wakwakwa chade o chade wie ya yesi ade che na wache no ntino e was His Excellency John Dramani Mahama etumi suspend no from his position as acting CEO of the Gold Board. Other matter of everywhere. Near CSOC can many are also saying said near CSOC near cano. Mfasobia anyhow. Eso. Sika others call him Mamiana.
Gazi. Gazi sike kutayo. The Mark Clement no I can't be also. Now seriously no. Because who Ghana?
Yes.
Sisi amenoka say is it Tanzania? Yes, I think it's Tanzania. Yaya mra ho sisi say woni ho kwan say ode currency bia apart from omo currency ebeto ade.
Is that woman?
Yes.
Yes.
Mama no be no
here.
Again, we need to me bia say ube kotu bibia in any other currency
aside
omo currency.
Yes.
Yes. Na eno kire say mama no pese yehunu say we ye Tanzania ne bibia about Tanzania no ese we dey adwuma na ojetum. Matise obi no ka say Sammy Gyamfi omumra bia so. Obumra so. Obumra so. Na mepo de mra no mom de wo say Ghana ye wo mra bebre be wo ho bia amfa nya adwuma. Yesi sika eye legal tender. Ntina kam se me de Clement man kan bibi wo so ama me no. Eye legal tender. Enti ye ni ho kwan se wo to obi ade a wo de dollar beto.
Ana se Sammy Gyamfi won to obi ade.
Me ba. Scanner de mama me no, minu mienu ye hu video se wo de ma no. Yes. Ono a say eye act of kindness. But beyond that, no winning bibio. When you hear, Miss Minimum, say, I don't know what transaction be. Ubianim, and then your man.
We heard the woman, or Serenity.
Matuase. Asemaba. Inti, I was say, Ubia Candia, a bebuama, ni yonko, ne hunya hi, and a unya asam kese. So say $800. One can. Yes. Now, one can say $1,000. Now, yentiti Sammy Gyamfi. Oh, and no crampo no. Say, we video na, counting no. It took time. We find a video this is here. Now, the way he flips, said you see flip usikano. We bet me count over 15 times. Oh, now a note ni was it $200 or $100? Oh, into when the Sammy Gyamfi aka and the agradaa aka no. The agradaa per se Bruni say or can to assuage. Na obia at tension so. But what actually was the case no? Obia nim ye de who say or kan sika. Me de flip sika na we no. O kan ya say $100 are more than 800. Say $200 $1. Well, it can also be $1. But I do not think it's say the comment canon. I do not think it's Sammy Gyamfi looking at his stature.
$1 cry. What count to enru 800? Precisely.
Good. That's an intelligent host. That's an intelligent host. I like your drift. $1 and can do 800. It definitely no, and $1.
Sure.
And the government $1 and your chum. And to me, say yes, legal tender, Ghana cedis. Say Sammy Gyamfi, Emma agradaa 1 million Ghana cedis and can news. Agradaa on any packet, until channel 1,000 cedis or whatever, into the manual. And can news. As some no war the dollar no mu. Now say minia yeti has is here na me bo Clement Abaso say on that issue no say they will see can no sahana objectively as will be a canon nti edu ba bia asem bi wo ho a enya sem nemom de efri ne ho ba no na oma asem ne ye asem bibia sipen. What was your position on it? That's something I can find. A BC pen now can say, oh, where do you say, me babaho? Oh, say, a normal, say, Chief Justice, what to quine na what chat tickets, ama ni kunone bar, a service number. But. And I'm video so say service number. Me try say e bi a service number na okobae no as at that time. Me ba o okobae no otu kwan kobae no o ti say service no accuse you say why hear something right now.
No.
Because sikano the other man wo what the other man so no ogina mra so no the man no. O ti say the other scan man say on fanko vacation no
one say
petition and charges no
concerning
the
CJ na 7 no e were twofold
meba
to send ya honorable Kwabraminta Akando an issue with the
Tamalin
director no was and also twofold. Yes. Akando sacked him as the administrator, not as medical doctor. So what how the whole thing is
see the American yes. Scenario bia no bibi etachire
okay
o drift me akọ akando
no back to
I refuse to go there.
Yes, Sammy Gyamfi
enti maame no adwuma bia obi aye bia emra wo ho enti sometimes no aya na mentia simple say politicians we poke our nose into certain sense ye mawo sika say kodi holidays the odi ama won onimra e wo ho o ba ese free be retiring ese o retire o ma mi sika se me koye we maye we o di receipt ba o mfa o nya ne keke mfa wa no keke nti say o retire what was wrong e wo ho a whoever administrator whoever or this can man no waka on this can man no wakwa ba if they see ena okan wo ho no opa maninshase na start na kan
$1 really $1
I have no problem with the dollar
manin start na number of times or flippo it mean inti institution no ye wo mra e bata bibia wo ye ho inti obaya na o retire sika no or the receipt and the retire nti anya bia no judicial service abeka say maame no waye bibia eyem fom so ana enu ntina ye investigation no nti ye ma investigators no however Sammy Gyamfi enye say ya dia waka no kokua mu o se de maame ne ye no dollars kura o yusu ye no e ho ne asem no Sammy Gyamfi anu asem no Cecillia Dapaa asem what did Sammy Gyamfi kan enti ono na no asem nti e na ma asem we ya asem o nti anka said ya woka no asem bi wo hanka nya asem but the free no hoba no ono ma asem ne ya asem
e bi asem that na was asus ka ashibili
ti the American no me kire se me che bi no se kwasi kayaso e ka bibi fa ho a papa na ya de okohia edom no wa ma obia chop money a good sign nti se kwasi su koye bia se wa commend obi a oyeye nti kwasi ye bia yes he is emulating the papa na ye no but wo de obi ye no waka sempamfa
but then Cecillia Dapaa and Sammy Gyamfi are two different things
two different things
because Cecillia Dapaa na kwakwa to huge sum of money
it doesn't matter
e woni dem
o kan say sika e wo say
yes
ye di ko Bank of Ghana na eboama cedi ne kofom no e hihia manfo fie na se mo kan ye no
yes
see my chief justice dey so or say dollars no kura maame no ayusu no kura na ema asem no kura enye enye sa dollars ni bia na so yusu ye enti ahina na ewo ofie a wo di bi gu kam
okay
enti se Cecillia Dapaa dollars na ka say omo de Bank of Ghana na ma cedi no etumi amafo pa bi akodi dwa omo nsa ka na ema cedi no eho etono no omo de ahyehye omo dan mu nti ono so de na egu car ni mu no ahe ena na egu car ewofi a ode bi gu car mu nti anka de oye ne de eye act of kindness enyina ye aka nsem ni ho but wo obi de no then na wo kan ye eno na mana ya asem again the second thing so ni say na make code of conduct his excellency na senya olonche ye o say moma ya brabo tio kwasitie o say moma ya brabo enye boko humility ye be kan twi mu say ahombrase o say moma ya brabo enye ahombrase brabo as appointees wohu moma ya brabo enye ahombrase brabo as appointees masa wo ya ahombrase ni a you will not flaunt dollars Unfa sika and show some mobium say where your dollars. Sabe enyan kwala nkitinkiti na $10 o. Yiso bia sabe. Me kai the last time ye be call elections 2024 untumi the gold ba yeso I condemned it. Who gold ankwa ho dia fasie. Na ye den. You don't do it.
Do you think the call for his suspension a step in the right direction?
Do you know why the suspension is so important and necessary? Sure, it is say oye papa na uwufie no ahemra ewufie ho na oye papa den akola bi wo ho a obepena semase na akola bi natural na udobo wo mu pa no abumra ne so. Say one fast sanction na wawde to ho na anya adwuma it takes away your papahood. It takes away your fatherhood because what shemra say want me amfa anya adwuma the next time obi ya want me kan hwe.
All right, ona mmada say
etumba so ma me conclude
okay.
Did they make me this year no na they me pa kire ni say wa shemra code of conduct we should eschew opulence wachro opulence ni say omoma wo ho so ye hu say me na me ba no dollar wo di show nsem na wo che na ekire opulence enya hombrase ye frɛ say something na eya hombrase mu say na meka say o che agradaa 50,500 million wo Ghana cedis mu kra anka nya sem but dollar no wo flaunt dollar nye sika. And I'm say car muna oche wo you here count it obehu ahina wo fia odi bi gu car mu
okay
and na position a ye dia ma no a position a son he can easily be corrupted. My friend Niagro gold Ghana ade ma iska ekoko any gold and yati gold board and e dey Sammy Gyamfi abofra koto ano emre bi ba ha me kan say eye good say be ma mabunu aba aban mu eye good na mom mabunu no chaff wom we should separate the grain from the chaff.
So is Sammy Gyamfi a chaff?
Na the oye wo hwe eye example as mabunu follow
me that say
say we flaunt dollars
me that say Abra
I don't see the offense our senior brother and comrade
code of conduct no
Sammy Gyamfi has committed. Now it is being perceived said ne ocha ade o Ghana anuma eyeboni. That is what the minority and then the MPP are trying to tell Ghanaians. Said ne ocha ade o haduma eyeboni. Nti ye ne Mr. Moderator ne senior comrade ocha wade it is a big offense in this country. That is what
me dollars
ocha car
magic.
Yes,
magic.
But what he's saying.
Oh, man, dollar crap magic.
Yes, but no, portrait say a bonny. If you listen to the video of the woman, the second video, she was surprised and shocked. Say, time on Nini Kunuebu Kotodwe.
That was a lie.
And I know.
That was a lie.
And I know more past a million pictures.
Oh, show remorse.
Cameraman now take here.
Forget the woman. For that one, the men saw
cameraman.
Into who a bad day. Abra wouldn't see a child here. Now, $1 now, we'll share camera. Now, the who? Not one way. So, how can you tell me, say, Sana, obite baby, and oja?
For that one, no say so beat a baby.
Obiante baby.
Say Nipani cha a hormono.
She saw it. And on one casa,
cameraman,
on one casa, cancer, Hamuncha Mammy. On one casa,
the cameraman try, but I was expecting, say, time, ma. First conversation, you cost on Uncle picking up. But on also your fast is okay. When it comes to the media space, he say, I am my husband. Yakoso Sammy Gyamfi 9, and this was the conversation. It will be something else. So they decided not to take that part, or not to snap that part. And on the part, she was being gifted by Sammy Gyamfi or China Adieno. Say no the media cloud and called the Beji fans. And he says, "See, I have creative problem. Ediama senior comrade Sammy Gyamfi. But I want to tell Ghanaians, say, there is no offense in gifting somebody something. Boni bia nim so obecho obi ade. Ka ye de che. Sika ye de che. Edan ye de che. And one man dollars. Ghana ha ye nim. We shouldn't say ye nim. Say there are some places awokwa legal tender near $1. There are hotels in Ghana. The legal tender is $. And Sammy Gyamfi is somebody already. Before some people be power, now when you have position, already now only be credit.
Oh, may have known Sammy Gyamfi from Kumasi during the era of Kojo Bonsu.
Yes.
Yes. At that time, Sammy Gyamfi was running a restaurant and a lounge.
Oh, only baby.
Yes. At that time.
Until we shouldn't make it as if
around 23, 20, yeah, between yes. 23 and 25.
The guy is we shouldn't make it as if we say and then say on your appointment to be a gold board CEO that is not the case. It shouldn't sound that way. And it should also sound the same when you give somebody something, it is offense. Is it because it's in $? It could have been a bit if you crown on the chairman minutes way. Is it an offense? Council on the chairman minutes way. Is it an offense? It is not an offense. We should not try to create a mountain out of a molehill. What Sammy Gyamfi did, Eya kumapa no chairman menadie.
Aheno diama.
No chairman miniska.
NDC grassroots.
When you come to this our area, your community animal, senior man, you are based in Accra. You know how people gift. Because they know say there is something out of it. And she read the and here had my 100 cities now and no cry bear near Sunu. Crocasium, they give a lot because they know what is at stake. When you mean Shirakasi, dear, and my ministry will be any more do. Send a senior man sika no untimi nkoma ni sika ketewa bi asa eno ache ni sika ahunka kakre wom I swear ni. So what is the offense in it? Bonibe na man ya no nti the MPP is trying to create a mountain out of a molehill. There be Sammy Gyamfi has not done anything. You won't pay for Ghana. You were people even there are a hanum so we also there are people who are willingly omutimi see fear the chair. Willingly omutimi see a fear at the chair because they know the blessings that will come from it. So this is not something that the opposition MPP should crucify Sammy Gyamfi. Say why you born kesi bi ama. The amount the woman has quoted, if my senior brother will be sincere, on what you be associating that amount. Yes.
Oh yeah, sure.
What you be associating that amount is a mega amount.
Just yeah, he be brave. Who say Makacho say
But there's no offense in it.
So bonine ho. But obi the oka wo ho no. And ama asem na ya asem o. That is where the issue is.
That is Mami dear Cecillia Dapaa dear okay. OSPD country machine can take it better or transfer to me kind scan.
Where the ordinance and kind.
Small one. And on the channel. And also a gift. OSPD Cecillia Dapaa dear say young Korea. Auntie, that time the country was on its news. Sabre no nom or mine koto dwegu fam or manage. No money here dollars. Na ma mi we kura dollars no wa hodo e wodi fie. Nyema mo e din. Okwadwuna sudwoma e ma esu. Sa time no. Ene ene aban papa ba. John Dramani Mahama ban abed nyema egu fam. Ama Ghana for ye ho ahehan ye. Mumma John Dramani Mahama ene NDC aban no. Yemfa nyema ngu fam. Sammy Gyamfi enye boni bia. Akomapa eyemuye eno oye de kire maame no. Send a senior community why would you dance say you have done a lot bigger than this. And Ghana hanum, it is not an offense say legal tender near dollars because your institutions, your companies, some hotels no, your hotels for Ghana hanum they price in dollars. What has happened to these companies? That price in dollars. Does it mean when they price in dollars and then you go to them, you give them cedis, meaning you are going to give them dollars? So it is not an offense. The MPP, the Ghanaians, have shown them the exit, and then they have given the opportunity to the NDC. Yeah, the near me a good firm Ghana for one at home. They should not find any offense about what Sammy Gyamfi did. They should clap for him. I was some more some edanasi. No more Ghana phone crying, say in charge because that was what I was expecting. Say honorable, and can no can say no I we also form one motivate you say in Shida Kessie because you have done it and you have received it, you have experienced it, you have seen it. And Yansu and Yanyabi. Now you in Shida Kessie dear Chileno, Yansu Yanyabi.
So for education purposes, say all those hotels na Clement Semana. Yes, some of them may price in dollars,
but
yes, I will musidia. But because of the fluctuation of the your friends currency, until more price in dollars, so that they don't necessarily take dollars.
But when you give them dollars, they will take.
Utuya CD equivalent. Very good. No, I can say Omutuya in dollars. Do you also know, sir, Bank of Ghana or the notices announcement be bring sir, under no circumstance, and I say amount for a price in dollars. Bank of Ghana or Kampa and no kahu and ama the craze for dollar and a costra now affect the CD no. Oh, inti ayamra our Ghana has said, sir, Bank of Ghana notice bebre. Say you shouldn't price in dollars. Companies now, institutions now, Okano. Sometimes they do it on the blind side of Bank of Ghana. Now, consider my year and just say $1 no here. Say, Okono can say $10 until $10 times the exchange rate.
In this case, Bank of Ghana most of our rule is not working.
That is it. I like that. The Bank of Ghana supervision rule and a year week. Unti or can say $10 now say dollar is say dollar 13.7 until 10 times 10.0 so you pay in cedis sanity and yes the amount say be $2
ma me na wase na me mfa sedan fa ma Born Agro Limited wo na akwakofa langa de ne ojaba ediaba ne nyina ye de hye ewura ma ewura